Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Eck with the Boathouse Group. Today I want you to introduce to you guys an amazing offer on this 2022 Everglades 395 that we just took on brokerage through the Boathouse Group. This boat is a single owner, very well maintained vessel that has less than 100 hours on it and is in pristine condition. This boat is powered by triple Yamaha 425s. You've got your dual live wells in the rear, nice large cooler box, make fast shade coming out of the hardtop, rear facing mezzanine seat. This boat has also got a full aqua traction flooring throughout the entire boat. On the port side, we have a nice large oversized dive door, full length transom seats that all flip right on out. Backrest pops up a little bit higher, so it's very comfortable on those longer days on the water. Down below in your lazarette, you've got your generator on board as well as your Seakeeper gyro. If you follow me around the boat a little bit, this particular boat is equipped with the full teak accent package. So we got teak around the dash, up on the bow as we walk around through the boat. Just a nice subtle touch to class up the boat. Triple wide helm screens here, full Garmin controls, autopilot, Yamaha Helm Master joystick, full AC at the helm as well as down below in the cabin. This particular boat equipped with a nice large cabin space, separate head with a rainfall shower, Everglades patented power windshield that opens and closes. Great for those days you're island around and hanging out with family and friends. So you can communicate to people up on the bow of the boat as well as reduce that glare for nighttime navigation. And then up in the bow, large entertaining area, large sun pad right up here. You got wraparound seats with your bow table. You can slide that down to make it more of a large day bed or bring it up for that table. Adjustable backrests if you want to do some lounging, and flip that all the way down if you want a nice clear open space. Again, this boat is available now through the Boathouse through our brokerage team. It's a 2022 Everglades 395, less than 100 hours. It's captain maintained, definitely one worth coming and checking out. Feel free to reach out to us if you'd like to get some more information. My direct cell is 239-938-5825 if you'd like some more information or to schedule a visit. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.